Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this interesting video. Today's video is also one of the important video because we are discussing again a nice news for the students who are willing to have a very great occasion of the important landmark in their life. This video is regarding giving you the reminder, intimation about the AIA PGET. That means All India Ayush Postgraduate Entrance Test. This is a national level test, and each and every candidate who want to do the post graduation in Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, Siddha, they must understand the importance of this video, because then you will become consultant, Ayurvedic consultant. I personally feel this is a nice opportunity, having a nice turning point in everybody's life. I know after BMS you can do very nice practice, either integrated or pure Ayurvedic or whatsoever. But after completing the MD or MS or post graduation diploma, you open a lot of things in your life. For example, I have completed my MD in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, a few years back, and also MD Kriya Sharira. Whatsoever I have got the name, fame, and money, the major contribution it is with my post graduation degree. Remember this. So, importance of post graduation is definitely we cannot deny it. If you want to go for a teaching job, teaching faculty, lecturer, then associate professor, assistant professor, and finally professor or HOD, or even the principal of the college, you cannot enter into the teaching field unless and until you have the post graduation or the master degree. Number two, whenever you want to go for any research activities like CCRM, CCRS, ICMR, national institutes, or even if you want to go for Himalaya, Dabur, Charak, Baidyanath, pharmaceuticals in R&D department, they will definitely ask whether you have the MD or MS degree. Whatsoever I have visited 1993 to 2014, America, Switzerland, Italy, Germany, Spain for Ayurveda propagation, these people, they invited me because I have also the master degree with me. Master degrees definitely gives the maturity to your personality. So try to understand. And this is important because I'm making this video because to alert you regarding all this phenomena. Because many times what happens after when there is a what you can say the very fast activities of entry into the PG courses in the different colleges, then some people are lazy and ignorant about this activity at this entrance examination, and then they get awakened at the time of admission to the PG courses. They want the admission on the behalf what you can say not in the open, but they want management seat. Even for the management seat, this particular national level entrance examination appearance is very essential and mandatory. That's why this video is very important. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and my channel is Ayurveda Academy. So today we will discuss about this entrance examination. So here you can see there is two links. I'm going to give these links in the description box of this video. So you can just click and then maybe you can open directly that particular documents over there. Okay, so here you can see that the document is opening right now. It depends on your internet speed of your mobile or this thing. You can see this is directly I have opened for you. This will look like Akhil Bharatiya Ayush, All India Ayush Postgraduate Entrance. So online registration process is this, personal details, qualification details, documents, etc. Then I will open another thing for you. For example, if I click over here, see, I can click over here. Another link that I am opening for you. This is the application, but this is a just intimation. See, public notice for All India Ayush Post Graduation Entrance Test 2021. So when you click over here, you will get the particular PDF format. So you can download this PDF. I have already downloaded all this PDF for you, and we will discuss whatever the PDF that we have in my hand. Okay. So let us open this PDF and try to discuss something about with this PDF. Okay. So let us see over here. Public notice, this is already issued. I know many 50-60% students have already applied for this, they have paid the fees also, but those who have not, I am making a little bit awakening warning over there. So this entrance examination application forms, from 1st of August to last date is 21st. Today is the 11th of August. So only 10 days are in your hand. Okay. Then successful transaction on the same day. Last date is 21st of August. Then you can correct your uploaded form from 23rd to 25th of August. But the last submission is on 21st, remember. Then downloading admit card also through the internet, Digital India, will be announced later when you will get the admitted card. Date of examination is already final, 18th September 2021. Remember this date. Make the appointment in your mobile. Don't forget, make it note on the calendar. Inform to your parents, relatives that wake me up this 18th September. I know more than this video, everybody is alert. I know that. Then shift 1 is for Ayurveda, 10 to 12, 2 hours examination. Shift 2, 3 to 5 p.m. in the afternoon after lunch, Homeopathy, Siddha and Unani. Ayurveda question paper will be English and Hindi. Homeopathy will be only English. Siddha, English and Tamil language. Unani, English and Urdu language. Now, here you can, I have already given these numbers. If you have any queries regarding how to apply, this problem is there, that I am not understanding, then you definitely take the help desk by phoning on this particular number. I have already given this number in the description box. Then also you can, if the phone is not attended, then you can mail to that particular people. Okay. Now I'm going to open another booklet for you. I will go directly. This is already I have downloaded for you. So just go up here. Okay. So National Testing Agency. This is the Ayush Ministry of Ayush symbol over there. Akhil Bharatiya Ayurveda Sansthan. Can you see? Akhil All India Institute of Ayurveda. Okay. Then information bulletin. This also you can get this by clicking the link, and you must download it. You put it in your mobile and refer this. This is admission for MD, MS and PG diploma in Ayurveda, Unani and Siddha and homeopathic courses. Okay. Then there are different, what you can say, the vision, mission things, but I will focus the main important things, what you should look for or what you should take into account. For example, online registration and submission of application form. I have already told you 1st to 21st, only 10 days are remaining. Okay. Examination fees you have to pay through Canara Bank, ICCI, Paytm credit card, debit card, net banking, etc. Fees amount is there 2,700, 2450, etc. as per your category. Correction in the application form, 22 days are there with you. Okay. Then duration of examination 120 minutes, 2 hours. Okay. Then examination center as indicated on the admit card. It will be given in the admit card. So don't worry about it. You will get the admit card. Then these candidates can apply to this entrance test only online mode. There is no offline. There is no office. There is no place where you can go and take the application form. No, the application form in any other mode will not be accepted. Only one application is to be submitted to a candidate. More than one application will be not accepted. Okay. Instructions for filling online application form. Following are the steps given to apply. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Okay. Online registration using own email ID or mobile number. Remember, don't take the help of your parents' email ID, parents' mobile number, friends' mobile number. No, your own mobile number should be there. Fill in the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Since computer will generate application number, that you should write down in your diary. Upload the scan images, recent photograph. Recent photograph is very important. The children, the students, they make the mischief. So don't do that because it will be rejected. Size should be very specific, 10 KB, 200 KB. If there is a big one, you can compress. There are already many softwares are available, online free available. Color black and white, 80% face and without mask. This point should be noted because many students by chance without negligence they put it mask and take the photo. No allowed. Visible including ears against the white background. These particulars you should give to your photographer so that he will take a nice photograph. Candidate signature, there is also size is important. Okay. PWD certificates, etc. By fees using payment gateway integrated to the online application through the net banking, debit card, credit card, etc. Only after filling this form, the confirmation page of the online application form could be generated only after successful payment. When payment will be successful, then only the last form will be opened. Okay. Now, I will go only for the important things that I want to tell you. So some other information you can read for yourself. Of course, that is also important. Mode of examination, CBT, computer-based test will be there, only computer. So you must aware of the mechanism of handling the computer. There is no whether you are living in city or the village place, but you must practice online test, mock test, multiple choice question, that is MCQ. Okay, single correct response, number of questions 120. So one question, 1 minute, maximum marks 480. So scoring will be +4 for each correct response, -1 for each incorrect response. So don't try to make the fake, you can say the matka. In Marathi, we call it as a matka, gambling. Don't do gambling because negative marking is there. Negative marking is there. Be careful. Okay. So medium, I have already explained to you. Syllabus shall comprise the subjects and knowledge areas as per your graduate level. BMS course, whatsoever the subjects are there, from Samhita Siddhanta, Rachana, Kriya, Dravya Guna, Rasa Shastra, Roga Nidan, Vikruti Vijnan, Agada Tantra, Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra, Shalakya Tantra, research methodology, each and every subject's MCQs you must focus. Okay, mark system that I have already explained to you. Then we will go further. There is reservations are there, so the you must have understanding about reservation candidates. Okay, then who can be called as a persons with disability, divyang, they are the classification, physical problem, mental problem, etc. Then I go further, general instructions for the students, these also you can read carefully. The examination fees once paid will neither be refunded not be carried forward for the next examination. So remember that thing. Okay, so some links are given also over there. Again, we will go further. And then, okay, government, here you can see it is suggested that candidates should keep the following ready before starting the filling application form. This raw preparation should be there whenever you open the computer filling the application form. A computer with proper internet connectivity, the particulars of valid government ID proof, the date of birth as mentioned in the class 10th board certificate, government identity details like Aadhaar number, last 4 digits are required, education and qualification details, scanned clear passport photograph of JPEG format, scanned clear signature and certificates, etc. List of the city of your choice. Refer Annexure 4. Bank account details for payment of the fees. Valid email ID as important communication. A valid mobile number is also important, and valid debit or credit card. Okay. So this you can have with you, and then you start. Then the basic information and note down the system generated application number, candidate's name, mother's name and father's name, date of birth, date, month and year, etc., mobile number and email ID. Okay. Then we will go further, uploading scanned images. All the details are there. We will focus only the at least 4 printouts of the confirmation page of online application form, proof of fee paid, photographs such as the uploaded online application form, 6 to 8 passport size photographs need to be kept aside. The name of the on the photo identification must match with the name as shown in the admit card. Okay. Next, we will go further to see any important things are there. Then during the corona centers, they have Annexure 4 is there. Test practice centers as per the guidelines of Ministry of Education. Okay. So comfortable taking computer tests are there. Then we will go further and we will try to find out if there is anything very important to discuss at this moment. Then they have guided you about the rules and regulations, how you can attend that particular examination. Okay. So you should carry your own, what you can say, the things with you when you appear for the exam, sanitization and a white transparent bottle, water bottle, not the colored bottle is not allowed, and ball pen is you should carry with you. Okay. Then this is a marking system and all these things you can read for yourself. Okay. I think most of the things I have covered, and I wish by this best of luck for filling the application form, also for filling the, just I will go here, you can see online registration process they have mentioned. Then state list of colleges, after examination, during examination, okay? So all these things they have mentioned very clearly at the time of entry. Candidate should avoid coming with more than one escort, parent or guardian, okay? They remain outside, room number will be displayed outside the centers, etc. Okay? Then preparation. So a lot of things that you have to go carefully with all these things. But I request that you should carry your own sanitization, follow the rules of COVID-19, and also you can have if diabetic, you are diabetic, carry some biscuits, etc. Okay. So all these things are given in detail over there. So my dear friends, again, I would like to conclude this particular video because of the time restraint. So this is the video regarding the awakening to you. Go for PG entrance test, and I wish all the best for filling the application form. I wish all the best for your examination as well. And you will be get admitted for MD and MS courses in the government colleges, aided colleges, or even private colleges. You are welcome to make a new career as a post-graduation consulting doctor. Okay, so I wish all the best. Please don't forget to share this particular video, like this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get this type of the news and information. But not only news, and this is my news channel, not only news channel, but I have covered all the subjects of Ayurveda in my channel, starting from anatomy, physiology, or Sharir Rachana and Kriya, up to the Kaya Chikitsa, research methodology, and also the practical oriented clinical examination point. There are lots of videos, 700 plus videos are there, and I wish you should join, or you are welcome to the Ayurveda Academy committee family of Professor Dr. R.R. Deshpande. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.